Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In a stunning legal twist that has sent shockwaves through Hollywood, a federal judge has ruled that Justin Baldoni, actor, producer, and director of the upcoming film It Ends With Us, can obtain private communications between pop superstar Taylor Swift and actress Blake Lively. The decision comes amid a heated and highly publicized legal war between Baldoni and Lively over harassment claims and countersuits involving defamation and misconduct on the set of the anticipated film. The legal war behind the scenes. The controversy began when Blake Lively, who stars in It Ends With Us, filed a bombshell lawsuit against Baldoni in late 2024, accusing the director of sexual harassment, fostering a hostile work environment, and retaliating against her when she raised concerns. According to Lively, the film's production environment became unbearable due to Baldoni's alleged conduct and repeated abuses of power. Baldoni fiercely denying the allegations, hit back in early 2025 with a $400 million countersuit, accusing Lively of defamation, public sabotage, and conspiring with her inner circle, including husband Ryan Reynolds and longtime friend Taylor Swift, to smear his name and tank the project. Why Taylor Swift is involved? While Taylor Swift was never officially tied to the production in a working capacity, her close personal friendship with Blake Lively and contribution to the movie's soundtrack placed her squarely in the orbit of the conflict. According to court documents, Baldoni alleges that Swift may have been aware of behind-the-scenes conversations regarding Lively's discontent with the film, as well as strategic PR efforts to damage Baldoni's reputation. Though a previous subpoena for Swift's deposition was withdrawn amid significant backlash, Baldoni's legal team requested access to private text messages and emails between Lively and Swift, arguing that the communications could either support or contradict Lively's claims and intentions. The judge's landmark ruling on June 18, 2025. U.S. District Judge Louis J. Lemon ruled in Baldoni's favor, declaring that the request for Swift's communications was reasonably tailored and relevant to the issues at hand. The judge emphasized that if Lively herself referenced Swift as someone privy to her concerns about the project or the alleged harassment, then Baldoni was within his rights to seek discovery of those conversations. However, the ruling comes with a crucial caveat: the messages will be subject to a strict protective order, meaning they can only be used as part of the legal proceedings and cannot be made public without court approval. This safeguard is designed to prevent media exploitation and preserve privacy, particularly given Swift's global fame and the media frenzy surrounding the case. Privacy versus legal relevance. Lively's legal team fought hard to block the motion, claiming it was nothing more than a publicity stunt meant to drag Swift into the mess and turn up the heat on the already toxic legal battle. They argued that any personal messages between the two women were private, irrelevant, and protected under both First Amendment and friendship grounds. But Judge Lemon firmly pushed back, stating that the potential for PR fallout did not outweigh the right to pursue relevant discovery. The law does not shield a party from disclosing communications simply because the other individual is famous, he wrote in the decision. If the messages contain evidence related to the claims or defenses in this case, they are discoverable. What the messages might reveal while the contents of the messages remain sealed. Speculation is rampant about what could be inside. Did Lively confide in Swift about Baldoni's alleged behavior on set? Did they discuss legal strategies, or possibly plan a coordinated PR narrative? Or could the messages actually exonerate Baldoni by showing that the actress had no real concerns at the time of filming? Insiders say some of the texts may reference heated arguments during production, concerns about creative control, and Swift's involvement in supporting Lively emotionally. The court may also review whether any messages suggest an intent to influence the media narrative or leverage Swift's massive fanbase to apply pressure. Where things stand now, the trial is scheduled to move forward in 2026. But this decision marks a major turning point. Not only does it give Baldoni potential access to high-profile communications that could bolster his defense, it also puts a spotlight on the blurred lines between celebrity friendship and legal accountability. Lively's team has not yet announced whether they will appeal the ruling, but legal experts believe it could set a new precedent in Hollywood cases involving offset texts, private group chats, and digital conversations among a fallout in the celebrity world. The case has already put a strain on high-profile relationships. Lively and Swift, known for their years-long friendship and public support of each other's careers, may now find themselves pulled into opposing corners of a legal showdown. Meanwhile, Baldoni has faced both support and criticism from fans and colleagues, depending on which side of the courtroom one believes. As the story unfolds, both the entertainment world and legal observers will be watching closely. One thing is clear. In the age of screenshots and subpoenas, even the most private celebrity conversations are never entirely safe.